Hi, my name is Christina Franchetti, and today we're going to learn how to create an assignment in Google Classroom. My instructional goal for today is to guide secondary teachers in updating formative and summative assessments through 21st century learning. My lesson's objective is that students will be able to create an assignment in a digital classroom through a cloud-based learning management system, for example, Google Classroom. Once you're at your Google Classroom homepage, the first step you'll need to take is to click Classwork at the top of the page. This brings you to a screen in which you can create a new assignment. Click the plus sign next to Create and choose the kind of assessment you wish to assign. Once you've chosen your assignment, you need to decide who's going to receive it. So for example, if you have multiple sections of the same class, you may want to check off the box that has both sections within it. For our intents and purposes, let's just assume the one class is only going to receive this assignment, so I will uncheck that box. Next, you need to decide which students within that class are going to receive it. So, for example, if you have students doing group work, you may just choose the 3 or 4 or 5 of those students who are going to get the assignment. For our purposes, let's just assume all students are going to receive the assignment today. You'll then need to create a title for your assignment, and then optionally you can also create the instructions for the assignment if you wish. Next, you'll need to decide some assessment criteria. For example, how many points will your assignment be worth? If you wish, you can choose ungraded in the drop-down menu. The next thing you'll need to decide is the due date. So you do have the option of no due date, but if you wish to assign one, you can click the drop-down menu within there, choose the date you wish to assign, and then you have the option of choosing a time that it will be due. It will default to 11:59 p.m., but you can change that, and then if the students submit it after that time, it will let you know that they were late. The last thing you'll need to choose is a topic. So for example, as an English teacher, I might want to find a topic that I've used before, or you can create a new topic within here. So again, maybe I'll put it under essays, since I will have other essays that I will assign, and I will be able to find these assessments again underneath that topic. Finally, you have the option to attach an assessment which you've already created. So, for example, you can use the paperclip to assign something that's on your computer. You can click the Google Drive icon. You can upload something, a video, for example, or you can even attach a hyperlink. I'm going to go into my Google Drive to find an assignment which I've already created. So, you'll search through your Drive, document you wish to attach, and either double-click on that assignment to add it, or click the Add button in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, which will attach it. The document will then show up at the bottom of your screen right here. The last thing you need to consider is how students will be able to view the document that you've uploaded. They can just view it, they can edit it, which I don't suggest unless you want them to be able to edit the original document that you've submitted, like for group work, for example, or my favorite option, make a copy for each student so that when they submit it, it is just their individual work. The last decision you have to make is to choose when to publish your assignment. You can choose the drop-down menu to either assign it right now, schedule it for a later date or time, or save it as a draft. Regardless, it will bring you to your home screen again, where you can find this assignment under Classwork tab at any time. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you've learned how to create an assignment in Google Classroom today.